So what we got is, now we're mulching this today. I didn't think about it, but we probably should have sold her on a thinning. But I mean, it's nice and full. Like some of this stuff is just, it doesn't belong. But we got some mulch going on here and here and there. You can see it's pretty bare. And the importance of mulch on your plants, some Nandina, see that's way too close to that sago. But they just want mulch, and budgets are what budgets are. And we can only do what the budget allows. Ain't that right, Cody?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and we're going to come to the front of the house and stop here. No, they don't need mulch the woods. Ooh, should we do that? I think we'll do it. We'll cut us a
little ring, huh?
I think we'll cut us a new ring. We'll limb those trees up, and then we got a little bit over there. Let's go look at that. So we got this right here, and we're going to go back to this plant. Nothing there. All right. You have all
I thought I used your camera, or did I use mine?
I don't even know. We're giving y'all some real footage now. This is cinematography masterpieces. Hold on, Steven Spielberg. Huh?
I can't reach the pedals.
Oh, put your booster seat in. You can move it up, it's okay.
No.
I could do it. Want me to do it?
I don't want to mess you up.
I'll do it.
I got it.
Cody, the man, the myth, the legend. Oh, that mulch is uneven. Okay, that was pretty good. I think you can quit playing with that. I'm gonna go ahead and let you do this circle this time. Now you see that. Listen, oh, I got it. Look at. Just look at that. Look at that.
Let's see, I got an injury.
What happened?
I hurt myself.
You woke up this morning?
Yeah. Severe injury. Oh, there it is. Alrighty guys, we are all done. Do a quick little walk through here. It's kind of the back side of the house here. This little strip through there. The front side of the house. Along the left side of the house here. We've got this little, what I call an island area. And that is that, guys. We appreciate you all for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for some more content. And we hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you.